Good day to you. My name is Peter Gilliam, Managing Director of Robertson and Caine in Cape Town. We've been in lockdown since the 27th of March. Today, Tuesday, the 5th of May, we're in the second day since our startup. We're now slowly getting back into business again after having been in lockdown. We've used the time very productively. We've been preparing for this moment when we could start up our business again. We will be working very closely with Frank, Vice President of Sales, to get these beautiful Leopard Catamarans back into our customers' hands. So the health and safety requirements are very strict in South Africa. We are lucky to get ourselves back into business under so-called lockdown 4 conditions. I'm going to ask Donovan Thomas, our manufacturing director, to just come and explain exactly what it is that we've been doing under lockdown conditions to prepare for this moment when we get back into business again. So as I said, it's taking time. We start up very slowly and we will slowly and gradually get back into business again. But we are only allowed under lockdown 4 to run at maximum 50% capacity. Under lockdown 3 conditions, which we don't know exactly when that will come, we should be back up to 100%. We expect to be back up to 100%, and currently we will be running under 50%, but we will maximize our utilization of that time.
Thank you, Peter. My name is Donovan Thomas, the Manufacturing Director at Robertson & Caine. We soon realized after this pandemic started reaching out in the world that it will definitely hit our country, and at some point it would hit our industry and the people over here. We started putting in safety precautions to ensure that our company is safeguarded and our employees are safeguarded against this virus. This then soon turned into a full nationwide lockdown where we had to close doors. During this time, we planned rigorously to look at all actions we can put in place to ensure the safeguard and safekeeping of our employees, while also getting production back up and running to its full capacity. Throughout the lockdown, as Peter mentioned, we lobbied a lot of requests to our local government, and we've been successful with the lead of Peter to get the company back up and running in level 4 lockdown, up to 50%. We have to phase up in certain aspects, and we can't have all the employees on site at any point. But we're doing this in a safe manner to get people trained up and people familiar with our new processes and the new normal in South Africa. We are very excited to say that employees are back, employees are happy to be back, and we've got boats being handed over as we look behind us. Our key planning phases was based on a COVID-19 action committee with stakeholders of the business in it, in all departments. We've had our full executive team and board of directors part of that group so that we can come to decisions and make them quickly and move to the next point to ensure that we have everything in place by the time we start up. The guys have been working extremely hard to ensure that all our actions are in place before the startup of the business, and that all the safety measures are procured and available for our staff. As you saw earlier, we've got our Robertson & Caine face masks, and as a point to our staff, we've also introduced the Robertson & Caine Cares initiative to show that our employees come first and that we need to look after the welfare of our employees and ensure a safe working place for them. For this, we've been in communication with our staff to ensure that they are ready to come back to work, that they know of the processes we need to follow when they come back, and currently training them as they phase back into the workplace. We know that we will be able to ensure a safe place for our staff, and that we'll be able to continue producing these lovely boats, getting them into the water, and getting them commissioned for our customers.